My name is Buck Bennett. I'm the Compliance and Enforcement Manager for the Coastal Resources Division, Georgia Department of Natural Resources. We had back-to-back hurricanes in successive years in 2016 and 2017. We had Hurricane Matthew and Hurricane Irma. As a result, we estimated approximately 12,000 cubic yards of marine debris had been strewn throughout the coast of Georgia, which is approximately 115 miles long. Well, we got here by getting approximately $650,000 from the governor's office and $600,000 grant from NOAA, which enabled us to start cleaning up in the northern part of the coastal zone and clear the waterways around Wilmington Island and Half Moon River. The coast stands right now, the waterways are much cleaner than they were originally. All of the marine debris that we removed, we estimated approximately 12,000 cubic yards originally, and we removed 16,000 cubic yards. We removed 63 sunken and derelict and abandoned vessels. 20 of those removed with monies from the governor's office and from NOAA, and 43 removed with Stafford Act monies. The removing of the vessels and the marine debris is to improve the safety of the local tributaries. I mean, the hardest part about the harsh reality with the marine debris is that this marine debris can sink and just be floating just below the surface, and boaters and recreational fishermen and folks on jet skis just can't see it, and they run into it and can cause a catastrophic event. We're very thankful for the assistance that NOAA has given us in being able to apply for the grants, and also the governor's office in providing us with the starter money to begin the process. But we couldn't have removed any of this marine debris without the assistance of NOAA.